What's going on, Facebook, YouTube, BDC, coming at you with another video. Little pond update. Last time we made a video, we started the plants for the bog filter. Plants are doing pretty good. Red root, not that great, but still doing okay. This one's really taken off. This is iris lilies, another different kind of lily, and there's watercress in there. So that one is red root, that one is frog bit, that one is water lettuce, that one is water hyacinth, and this is watercress. So I got the bog filter up and running today. Still testing for leaks. I don't see any so far. The bird bath is looking good. Got watercress in there, a little bit of frog bit, a little bit of red root. There's a little bit of the lily coming out of there. So basically what I'm just trying to do is root these plants so I can put them in the bog filter. Oh, there's a little piece of parrot feather that broke off right there. So we got parrot feather starting to surface. We got hornwort down in there. I can't really tell you how good that's doing because the filters are just starting to do their thing, clear up the water a little bit. So here, watch out, Loki, watch out. So here's watercress, and this is blood vein or blood root, something like that. Anyways, you see the roots coming out. So this watercress was, all these plants were planted about 3 weeks ago, I think. So there's lily right there, lilies. These are sprouted land hyacinth, but they're gonna go in the bog. They make pretty flowers in the summertime. This is some type of flower. I don't know. I got it out of the front yard. Started planting this about 3 years ago. It comes back every year on its own. There's some kind of little creeper vine. Just anything that'll plant, that'll root out, you know. The roots is what takes the nutrients, steals the nutrients for the algae. These are lilies. A little bit of red root in there too. Alright, so there's the sundial. Let's see what time it is. We got 8, we got 9, we got about 10 after 9, 15 after 9, about 15 after 9. Let's see what time it is. It says 8:18, but I still haven't moved my clock forward an hour when it turns spring. So yeah, I don't know, I forgot how to do it on this watch. So this is the bog filter. If you remember in the other video, or I'll zoom out, You remember in the other video, I had the blue plastic tub in there, it's a 30-gallon plastic tub filled with polyfill. And then there's these landscaping blocks all around it. And what I do is I stack them like a checkerboard until it's all flat at the surface. Now you could do this with pebble rock or big boulders at the bottom, medium boulders in the middle, and then pebble at the top. But yeah, I ain't got that kind of money. There's a ladybug. Look at that, that's good luck. Hi, Mr. or Mrs. Ladybug. Go on, fly away. Not into the pond. Goldfish to eat you. So, a little bit of foam on the pond today. That could be one of two things. That could be spawning fish, mating toads, which I know we got that. Or it could be algae dying off. And I sure hope it's algae dying off. Because right now, there's not much visibility. Maybe about 1.5 feet, 2 foot. There's a minnow, couple of goldfish out there. I don't know if you can see them. Right in the shadows. So this is a goldfish pond. It's got probably about 30, maybe 40 large goldfish in between 5 and 8 inches. Yeah, they're pretty good size. Let's see if I can. Where'd they go? There they are. They're a little bit below the surface. Yeah, they got scared. Hold on, I'll go get some food and we'll bring them to the surface. Alright, I'm back. So I threw a little bit of food out there. The minnows are already going after it. So these are fathead minnows. And they basically provide food for the goldfish. They eat algae and anything on the surface. And I mean anything. Seedlings off the tree, they eat it, or they try to eat it. Anyways, they're good minnows to have, and they rapidly produce. There's probably, oh god, at least 500 in here in this pond. So this pond, this pool, in-ground pool pond, is roughly 28,500 gallons. I always calculate it to 30,000. It's 7 foot, 7.5 foot right now in the deep end. It's actually 8 foot, but I got it like 6 inches down. Pretty soon I'll have it at 7 foot because I got to run the skimmer. There's already cotton flying around out here, so, and locust seedlings and pine cones falling from the big pine tree. See, there's a pine cone right there. And pine seedlings. Anyways, goldfish haven't found the food yet, but they will. They will. So I don't know if you can see the minnows. Let's see. There's some goldfish coming up now. Hi, Sear Bear. There's my yard cat. There's my yard cat. Hi, Sear Bear. The water is still relatively cold. It's only about 65 degrees. Last time I looked. I'll go look again. Now, this is a shallow 3-foot side. 3-foot side temperature. Oh. $68. It's getting there. It's getting there. Today's high is supposed to be like 70. So there's a goldfish. So you can see the visibility is only about maybe a foot, foot and a half. Not very good. But we got both filters running. We got the deep end filter running, which feeds the pump, feeds the bog, and then there's another filter inside the bog, and then once we get the plants going and stuff, it'll start clearing up. Usually we got visibility of about 3.5 to 4 feet, so that lets you be able to see pretty much everything in the shallow end. Shallow end of the pool or pond is 3 foot, and then the stairs right here drop from 6 inches to 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, and that's the slide or the ramp for the frogs and toads to get in and out of, or if one of the dogs decides to take a swim, then they can get out too. They're just living life on the cushion. Spoiled, spoiled, spoiled mutts. So they are Bichon Yorkie mix. This is the brother of that one. And that one is the daddy. And Mama passed away 2 years ago. So daddy is 14, maybe 15. Crazy. He is not doing very well, but he's still kicking. Here comes the goldfish. So I'll zoom back out. You can see the overall water clarity. Like I said, it's only about 1.5 foot right now. Put a bacteria ball, or not bacteria ball, what's it called? Yeah, beneficial bacteria ball in there like last week. So that's probably why the algae is starting to die off. Got the leaves out of the bottom. Still doing some spring cleaning, preparing for summer. Hopefully once the water temperature gets up, the plants will start really going crazy. Water lettuce and water hyacinth are supposed to be really fast growers. Right now, frog bit seems to be about the fastest grower. There's a little school of them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 in the picture right now. 17 goldfish. And they're not all just orange. There's orange and white ones. There's an orange and white one right there. Speak of it. There's brown, gold, black. Like I said, they produce babies every year. But up until last year, I had ducks, and the ducks really just ate all the tadpoles, ate all the little baby goldfish, all the little baby fathead minnows, and they destroyed the plants. And I was just like, I don't know. Love you guys, but you guys are really on my last nerve. I bought water hyacinth, a 30 gallon tub filled with water hyacinth. Very little water in there from a neighbor. I put it in, and they destroyed it, shredded it, ate it all in a matter of a couple hours. Yeah, was not happy. Was not happy. See, the goldfish really don't get fed. Like that small little handful that I threw in there, that'll be their food for probably all this weekend. I want them to eat what's on the surface and what is in the pond. So they basically take care of themselves. And you can see that they're not underfed. They are fat goldfish. Not overly fat, but they are healthy. Very healthy. And like I said, they spawn every year, so we must be doing something right. So the waterfall's been running for 3 hours now. No leaks. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. So we set up the hummingbird feeder today. Put out some fresh oranges for the orioles. Some grape jelly for the orioles. There's the sign that my mom had made for me a while back. So like I said, it's still spring, it's still early in the year. Everything will take off once the temperatures consistently stay 70 degrees, 70, 75 degrees. Stuff will really start sprouting out. So anyways, that's our video for today. Thanks for watching. BDC out.